Hi guys, my name is Towa Ikawa. I'm US Aeropress Champion 2019. I'm currently working for a coffee shop, Kona Coffee Purveyors in Waikiki as retail manager. Today I'm gonna brew Aeropress by my own winning recipe. Aeropress is very versatile, so we can make thousands of recipes for it, so it's so fun. We can change the grind settings, and we can change the water temperature, we can change the filters, and there are so many things we can change, and it can change the taste. Today I'm gonna brew cow coffee, and this is called Cow Morning Glory. And what I like about this coffee is very fruity, and it has a good body and nice texture. So I'm a fan of this coffee. Aeropress is a very simple method, but you can make it very specific. This is how I brew mine.